Hello, everyone, and welcome to Real Talk Relationship. Today, we're discussing a tough but important topic: how to heal after a breakup. If you're going through a hard time, know that you're not alone. It's possible to overcome this and come out stronger on the other side. In this video, I'll share practical tips and steps to help you heal after a breakup. The first step to healing after a breakup is to accept your emotions. It's normal to feel sad, angry, confused, and even relieved. Allow yourself to feel these emotions without judgment. A breakup is a relational grief. It's completely normal to go through a phase of intense sadness. To hope to feel better someday, you have to accept feeling bad now. We live in a society that tends to reject pain and counter it. Observing your emotions and living them mindfully instead of burying them is an essential step in the healing process. A romantic relationship is a deep commitment, and grieving our relationship and future plans is crucial. Take the time to cry. Crying can be very liberating and helps release the pain. Consider setting aside time each day to let out your feelings. Write your feelings in a journal. This can help you understand and organize your thoughts. Reflect on what the relationship meant to you, what you learned, and how you can grow from this experience. Talk to a trusted friend or family member. Sharing your feelings with someone who understands can lighten your emotional burden and offer a different perspective. Breakups can be emotionally and physically exhausting. It's essential to take care of yourself during this time. Eat healthily and try to maintain a regular sleep routine. Balanced diet and good sleep can make a big difference in your emotional state. Consider foods that boost your mood, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Exercise regularly. Exercise releases endorphins, which can improve your mood. Even a simple daily walk can help. Try incorporating activities you enjoy, like dancing, swimming, or yoga. Practice mindfulness or meditation to reduce stress and anxiety. Apps like Headspace or Calm can be very helpful for this. Even just a few minutes of deep breathing each day can help you feel more centered. Give yourself time to relax and pamper yourself. Take a warm bath, read a good book, or watch your favorite movie. Create a self-care routine that makes you feel good. It can be tempting to seek quick ways to relieve the pain, but some behaviors can be destructive in the long term. Avoid contacting your ex, at least for a while. This will give you the space you need to heal. Consider deleting or blocking their number if necessary to avoid temptation. Remember, this time is for you to focus on your healing. Don't turn to alcohol or drugs to numb the pain. This will only delay the healing process and can create additional problems. Instead, find healthy outlets for your emotions, like exercise or creative hobbies. Avoid rushing into a new relationship. Take the time to know yourself and focus on yourself. Healing comes from within, not from someone else. Rebound relationships can complicate your emotions and hinder your healing. Do things that make you happy and keep your mind occupied. Resume a passion or hobby you may have neglected. Whether it's painting, gardening, or music, doing something you love can be extremely therapeutic. Try something new that you've always wanted to do. Learn something new. Whether it's a cooking class, dance, or a new language, it can help you feel accomplished and focus on positive goals. Engaging your mind in new learning can be very fulfilling. Spend time with friends and family. They can offer valuable emotional support and remind you that you are loved and appreciated. Plan outings or activities that you enjoy doing together. Breakups can affect your self-esteem, so it's important to work on your self-confidence. Make a list of your qualities and what you like about yourself. Read this list every day to remind yourself of your worth. Add to it regularly as you discover new things about yourself. Practice positive affirmations every day. For example, say to yourself, "I am worthy of love and happiness," or "I am strong and capable." Repeat these affirmations to yourself throughout the day. Set new personal and professional goals. This can give you a sense of direction and control over your life. Break these goals into small, manageable steps and celebrate your progress. Sometimes it can be helpful to talk to a professional to help you through this difficult time. A therapist or counselor can offer you tools and techniques to manage your emotions. Don't underestimate the importance of therapy in helping you overcome a breakup. Therapy can provide a safe space to explore your feelings and gain insights. Join a support group to meet others going through similar situations. Sharing your experiences with others can be very comforting.